Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is goodness in and out. You have changed so much, Cancer. You become such a positive being. You shaped yourself. You're a new person than you were in the past. That character carving is working. Therefore, you're going to a place of blessings that you deserve. But you couldn't go to this place being the old person that you used to be. So I want to give you credit for making sure that you fix and adjust all your imperfections and becoming a being of positivity, light, and prosperity and love. I refine my character to overcome difficulties by remaining positive. I calm my heart and illuminate my intellect and transform shadow into light. Being able to be a being of love has made you a genius to be able to navigate through the hard times, the troubled waters. You may feel, though, that there is a tsunami. There is a huge storm in your ocean. But the way that you've been moving smart and you've been working smart, not hard, you've been understanding how life goes and been going with the flow. You've been able to calm your oceans. I consciously manifest goodness in and around me, and I improve the qualities for the benefit of all, including yourself. So many people are counting on you. So many people thrive off your energy. That's because you're needed down here. It's one of your purposes. Fall in love with your service. By calming yourself, you calm the rest of the world, and you make it a better place. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.